Namaste viewers. Today we learn Peri Adavu. It's jump and side forwards, right side and left side. Today I teach you. It's firstly we jump on toes, high jump, and also touch your heels on your hips like this. Okay. Use mudras Katka Mukha and Alpadmaka. It's a simple round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then left. Jump. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I show you leg practice. 1, 2. Jump. Then right and left. Right and left. Right, left, right, left. Then again jump. Jump. Then left. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's a Peri Adavu. Peri Adavu. First step. 1, 2. Ta, tai, tai, ta, dit, tai, tai, tat. Now we go for left side. 1, 2. Jump. Ta, tai, tai, tat, dit, tai, tai, tat. Repeat once again. 1, 2, 3. Step. Jump. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then left. Jump. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Second step. We jump high. Then circle movement. First we turn right side. Then left side. 1, 2. Jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we jump left side. Jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Today we learn Peri Adavu. First step. Firstly we use hands and leg practice with counting. Aramandi position. Sit properly. Use your Alapadmaka Katka Mukha Mudra on chest level. Start. 1, 2. Jump. Jump. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then jump left. Jump. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Repeat once again. Come forward. One step forward. 1, 2, 3. Start. Ta, tai, tai, tat, dit, tai, tai, tat. Ta, tai, tai, tat, dit, tai, tai, tat. Peri Adavu. Second step. Practice. Turn right side, then turn left side. Start with right side. 1, 2, 3. Start. Ta, tai, tai, tat, dit, tai, tai, tat. Then jump left side. Jump. Ta, tai, tai, tat, dit, tai, tai, tat. Peri Adavu. Third step. We go right side like making shape U shape. I will show you. 1, 2. Jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. Then jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Peri Adavu. Third step. Practice. Aramandi position. 1, 2. Then left side. Jump.